Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I am going to discuss about characteristic function of Poisson distribution. Okay, so characteristic function is also denoted as CF. Okay, its notation is phi x of t. Okay, so that equals to expectation of e power I t x. Okay, so this is of the form expectation of x. So its formula is summation x into p of x. Okay, so now we have to write this one in this way. Okay, so that equals to summation x in the sense e power I t x into p of x. Okay, Poisson distribution limits are from 0 to infinity. Okay, so that equals to summation x equals to 0 to infinity e power I t x into p of x in the sense what? Poisson distribution formula e power minus lambda into lambda power x by x factorial. Okay, so here we have to write this formula e power minus lambda into lambda power x by x factorial. Okay, so that equals to here e power minus lambda is not having x value, so we'll take this one before summation e power minus lambda summation x equals to 0 to infinity, and here e power we are having x and lambda also we are having x in powers. So we'll make these two terms as a single term. Okay, so e power it into lambda whole power x by x factorial. Okay, so now we'll substitute x values. Okay, by removing this summation e power minus lambda into e power it whole power 0 by 0 factorial plus lambda into e power it whole power 1 by 1 factorial plus lambda into e power it whole square by 2 factorial plus lambda into e power it whole cube by 3 factorial plus and so on. Okay, up to infinity. So e power minus lambda into here x power 0 is 1. 0 factorial is 1. So 1 by 1 is 1 plus lambda into e power it whole power 1 by 1 factorial plus lambda into e power it whole square by 2 factorial plus lambda into e power it whole cube by 3 factorial plus and so on. Okay, so this one will be of the form, see, if we think this one x, so it will be in the form of 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus and so on. Okay, so it is the formula, it is the expansion of, okay, so it is the expansion of 1 minus what, x to the power of minus 1. Okay, na? So it is the expansion of 1 minus, sorry, it is the expansion of e power x. Okay, sorry. So it is the expansion of e power x. It is the expansion of e power x. So now we have to compare these two terms. So here if you see, the both terms are same. So this whole term we have to write in e power x format. So phi x of t equals to e power minus lambda into e power x. X in the sense what we have to write? Lambda into e power it. Okay, so lambda into e power it. So this is phi x of t formula for Poisson distribution. Okay, so now we have to calculate mean. Mean of Poisson distribution using characteristic function. Okay, so mean is denoted with mu1 dash. So this can be done by differentiating d by dt of phi x of t, where t equals to 0. Okay, but we have to do one small thing. Here we have to add minus I. Why? Because here I is there. So we have to eliminate this I. In order to eliminate this I, here in differentiation we are going to add minus I. Okay, so that equals to minus I into d by dt of pi x of t, in the sense what? This value. This we have to write e power minus lambda into e power lambda into e power it, where t equals to 0. So here e power minus lambda is not having t value, t variable. So we are going to take this one outside. So minus I into e power minus lambda into d by dt of e power lambda into e power it, but t equals to 0. Now we have to differentiate this term. Okay, so that equals to minus I into e power minus lambda into, so e power x is e power x only, no? So e power lambda into e power it, but here x we are having with respect to t, no, we have to do. So here in power t we are having, no, so again we have to differentiate this term. So we'll get lambda into e power it. Again here t variable is there, no, so t quotient is I. So like this we'll get the differentiation. So where t equals to 0. Now we have to substitute t equals to 0. That equals to minus I into e power minus lambda into e power lambda into e power I into 0 into lambda into e power I into 0 into I. That equals to minus I into I, minus I square e power minus lambda, here e power lambda into e power 0. E power 0 is nothing but 1. So finally we will have only e power lambda into, here lambda only will be remaining. Why? Because here e power 0 is 1. Okay. So that equals to, these both values will be cancelled. So minus I square in the sense what? Minus 1. Here we are having minus I square. So that's why here 1 will get into lambda. So finally we got mu 1 dash equals to lambda. Okay. Now variance we have to do. So variance equals to, it is denoted with mu 2. So that equals to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash whole square. So now we did mu 1 dash. Now we are going to do mu 2 dash in order to get variance. So mu 2 dash equals to d square by dt square phi x of t, where t equals to 0. But here one small thing we have to do. We have to add here I square. Why? Because this is second non-central movement. So that's why we have to add here I square in order to eliminate this I. Okay. So that equals to I square into, this one we have to split d by dt of, again d by dt of phi x of t, where t equals to 0. So that equals to I square into d by dt of, so d by dt of phi x of t, in the sense what? E power minus lambda into e power lambda into e power it. So this value we have written here, where t equals to 0. That equals to I square into d by dt of, this one we are going to differentiate. But here e power minus lambda is not having any t term. So that's why we are writing e power minus lambda outside. Okay, so I square into e power minus lambda outside we have written. So d by dt, and we have to do now only this term differentiation. So e power x is nothing but e power x. Again we have to do x differentiation. So e power lambda into e power it. Okay. Again we are having in power t. So that's why lambda into e power it, and again we are having t variable. So into I, where t equals to 0. So that equals to, here I we are having, here I square. So total we will get I cube into e power minus lambda into lambda also we have to take outside. Why? Because here we are not having any t quotients. So lambda into d by dt of e power lambda into e power it into e power it. Okay. So this is u, this is v with respect to t equals to 0. So that equals to I cube into e power minus lambda into lambda. So uv in the sense what? Uv in the sense u dash v plus u v dash. So first we are doing u dash. So u dash in the sense what? E power lambda into e power it into lambda into u e power it into I. Okay, u dash completed. Now we have to write v term into e power it plus you have to write as it is e power lambda into e power it into v dash. V dash we have to do. So e power it into I, where t equals to 0. So now we have to substitute t equals to 0. So I cube into e power minus lambda into lambda. So e power lambda into e power I into 0 into lambda into e power I into 0 into I into e power I into 0 plus e power lambda into e power I into 0 into e power I into 0 into I. Okay. So here what the terms we are having? I cube e power minus lambda into lambda. Okay. So here e power lambda into e power 0 will get. So e power 0 is nothing but 1. So here we are having only e power lambda. Okay. So e power lambda. Here lambda is there. Here e power 0. So e power 0 is nothing but 1. So again here we are having only lambda. Okay. So I is there. I into e power 0 is nothing but 1. So 1 into I is I. Plus e power lambda is there. Again e power 0 is there. So e power 0 is 1. So 1 into lambda is lambda. So we will get here e power lambda. Okay. Into e power 0 is nothing but 1. So into I. 1 into I is I. Okay. So that equals to I cube into e power minus lambda into lambda. Here in this both we can take e power lambda I as common. So e power lambda I we took common. So here the remaining term is lambda plus 1. Okay. So that equals to e power minus lambda, e power lambda get cancelled. So I cube into I is I power 4 into lambda plus 1. Okay, so I power 4 is nothing but 1. Why? Because this one we can split as I square into I square. I square is nothing but minus 1 into minus 1. So at last we'll get 1. So 1 into lambda plus 1. So this is mu2 dash value. So mu2 dash equals to lambda into lambda plus 1. Okay, now we have to find out variance. So variance equals to, variance is denoted with mu2. Mu2 equals to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. So mu2 equals to mu2 dash in the sense lambda into lambda plus 1 minus here mu1 dash is nothing but lambda. Here mu1 dash is lambda. So lambda whole square. So that equals to lambda into lambda is lambda square plus lambda into 1 is lambda minus lambda square. So lambda square get cancelled. So mu2 equals to lambda. Okay. So like this we have to find out Poisson distribution characteristic function and also mean and its variance. Okay. So I think everybody understood this derivation part. So if anybody are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and also don't forget to like this video. Okay, if you like, my video will reach to many students. Okay, so please support in this way in order to reach these videos to many students. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day.